All right, mun man la cho ma liu go ahead. Just pretend like it's a dinosaur right here. Okay? Have you ride dinosaur before?
No.
All right. So, no. Get closer, get closer. All right. Touch your hand, hold your hand. Go like this, fist pump. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna blow the whistle and then you guys start hitting each other, try to knock down each other. You got it? You got it? Are you ready? All right, 1, 2, 3. Oh! All right, 1-0, 1-0. All right. Comeback season, let's go. Need help? All right. But you guys get... Okay. All right, 1-0. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Free hit. Okay. Okay. Hit. All right, all right. Come on. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Hit it, hit it. All right. 2-0. 3. Wait. Whoever get 3 first win. 3 knockdown. All right, ready? 1, 2. Get comfortable, get comfortable. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. There you go, there you go. Keep going, keep going. Okay, in for the head. Keep going. God. Hit it hard, let's go. Swing it, let's go. Use those muscles. There you go, there you go, there you go. Keep going. Wait. You guys are too far apart. Get comfortable, get comfortable. Pretend like you're riding a dinosaur, remember. He says, squeeze your butt. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Go for the head, go for the head. Go for the head, let's go, swing it. There you go. That's a good swing, let's go. Oh! All right. ไปกำบังเปลี่ยนหาไลน์ We got winner. ดังกันขึ้นมา All right. ดังซองอุปาเดวนปูค่ะชัวโคซิโมรักชัวโค All right. Who's versus? You two. All right. Let's go. You gonna take on the winner?
I don't know.
Okay. All right. All right, let's go. All right, do fist pump so you can reach. How does it feel up there?
Scary.
Scary? All right, let's go. Let's see. Why are you sitting sideways? Why are you sitting sideways? Sit straight. Yeah. What? We're gonna catch you, don't worry, even if you fall, okay? Let's hope we catch you, all right? All right, ready? You ready? All right, 1, 2. Oh, okay. Oh, what a hit. Okay, all right, 1-0. 1-0, let's go. You got this, let's go. Yeah, let's go, you got this. Come on, you got this, let's go. Yeah, you're gonna try on your second round, let's go, you got this. It's good experience, right? He forfeit. He forfeit. All right, he said, I'm gonna beat him, I'm gonna take him down. All right, let's see. Yeah, let's go. The winner, stay here. Get comfortable, guys, get comfortable. All right, get comfortable, get comfortable. You comfortable? You comfortable? All right, ready? Okay. All right. All right, ready? 1, 2. Okay. What a hit! Oh! What a hit! All right, 1-0. All right, let's go. You got this, let's go. Nice shot. All right, 1-0, let's go. 2 more to go, 2 more to go. All right, 1, 2. Oh! All right, let's go. One more. You got one more. Let's go. You got one more. He's not a quitter. He said, I can come back. Yeah. All right, are you guys comfortable? Yeah, you ready? All right. Yeah, good job, nice fight, way to go. Didn't give up, way to go. All right, let's go. All right. Okay. All right, is there anyone else wanna wrestle somebody? All right, come out. If you want to wrestle somebody, come out. Come out. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3. Okay, come out. All right. All right, now the entrance is closed. No one can enter no more. This is it. All right, who want to go first? Okay. You want to go? Hold on. You're gonna face. We're gonna make that. You're gonna face the winner. Okay. All right. Let's go. Who want to go first? Okay, go. All right. You go against the winner. You got it? All right. Let's go. Got it? Don't look down. Don't look down. Look at your opponent's face. No, you good? You comfortable? Yeah? All right. Wait for my whistle. All right? Don't be scared. All right. Wait for my whistle. 1, 2. Oh! that's okay. They say he's fall first, so that means he got 1. All right, 1-0. Get comfortable, guys. Get comfortable, and then we'll start. All right, ready? Oh, 1-1. Woo! This is a great match. All right, ready? Ah, that's a tie. That's a tie. That's a tie. All right, 1-1. Let's go. Still 1-1. All right. All right, that's a tie, 1-1. All right, ready? Get comfortable, guys, get comfortable. All right, ready? Ah. Okay, reset, hold on. Oh, 2-1. 2-1. What a comeback. Let's go. 2-1. Yeah, one more, 2-1. All right, ready? Okay. Ah! 2-2. Wow, 2-2. This is a great match. 2-2. One more. What did you say?
I gave up.
Oh, he forfeit. You got one more. Why? Ah, he said he didn't like it. All right, we got the winner. Okay, hold on. The winner gonna we got 1, 2, 3 winners already, 4 winners. Yeah. We got one right here. All right, you're gonna go against this. Good? Okay, you got it? All right, let's go. Get up. Can you see? You sure? All right. All right, ready? One. Ah! 1-0. 1-0. All right. All right, ready? Get comfortable. Ready? Ah! 2-0. Let's go. Come back. Let's go. Wait for my whistle. Okay. All right. Ah, all right, we got the winner. He beat 2 people now. All right, let's go. We got 5 winners, okay? So, this is how we're gonna go. You're gonna go, and then they're gonna challenge you. You challenge last. Oh. Yeah. Okay, wait. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, you can take off your glasses. All right, you can go up there. All right. Closer, closer, closer. Closer, closer. Get closer, get closer. Don't hold. Yeah. Get closer. Get closer. There you go. All right. All right, you guys comfortable? You guys comfortable? You guys comfortable? All right, ready? You ready? You doing it? All right, let's go. Go, go, go. Hit, let's go. Hit it. Swing, swing. There you go. Swing it. Let's go. Come on, guys. Come on. Harder, harder. Let's go. Come on. Hit it harder. Let's go. There you go. Go for the head. Go for the head. Go for the head. Come on. Swing it back. Swing it back. All right. You don't want it? Come here. All right. You gave up? All right. All right. No, how? Yeah. All right. Next. Who want to go next against him? All right. One of you have to face him. You're all gonna face him. So who? Oh yeah, you already fight, right? Okay. All right. Let's go. All right, you guys comfortable? All right, ready? Wait for my whistle. What a hit! What a hit! Ah! 1-0. All right. Was 0. All right, you guys ready? Woo! Ah! All right, 2-0, let's go. Comeback season, let's go. You got one more. Let's go. All right, all right. All right, ready? Wait. All right, ready? 1. Let me know. You can wrap it to your hand. Wrap it. Just so you guys know, the winner get $100. Yeah, come on, we got money right here, cash. All right, the winner get $100, easy money. All right, you ready? 1, 2. What a hit, headshot, let's go. Keep fighting. All right, let's go. Go again. All right. Nice shot. Let's go. Ah. All right. All right. That's 3, right? All right, still winner. We got. All right. Good job. Good fighting. Good fight. All right. We got 2 more left. We got 2 more left. We got, all right. All right, let me know when you guys ready. Good? Ready? Oh, 1-0. 1-0. All right, let's go. Ready? There you go. There you go. Oh, so close. All right. 2-0. Ready? 1, 2. Ah. All right, that's a 3. All right. All right, this is final, guys. This is the last opponent. All right. Good job. All right, let me know when you're ready. Oh, 1-0. All right, ready? Go. Okay. All right, 1, 2. Oh! 1-1. Okay. That's a good one. Let's go. 1-1. All right, they going for $100. Let's go. Ready? Oh! 2-1. Ooh, let's go. Wait for my whistle. Ready? All right. You guys ready? Oh! Oh, he said it was. He said his pillow was stuck, so we're gonna do refight on that, rematch on that one. All right. All right, ready? Oh, good job. That's a GG. That's a GG. Good job, guys. Thank you. All right. Winner is
Israel.
Woo! All right. Where's the cameraman? Cameraman? Do we have photographer? Cameraman, we need you. All right. We got champ here. We got champ. Easy money. Raise your. Let's see. Show them what you got. Not that one. You got that one. All right. Good job. Thank you, everyone.